We're frying squash blossoms, as long as I can get them. The perfect tempura batter, 90 grams each of all-purpose flour and potato starch. If you don't got potato starch, use cornstarch, but then it's 3/4 to 1/4 starch. And a cup of ice-cold water, always ice-cold water, and potato starch. That's the combination for the perfect tempura batter. And 1 egg. That's what you're looking for, the texture of cream. These are zucchini blossoms, only available in the summer where I am, and they're beautiful as is. Or we could take a piece of Fontina cheese and stuff them. Now they're ready for dipping. And frying. Always hot oil, 375 or better. And don't overcrowd the pan. Flip them over and get them crispy everywhere. Serve those up, crispy and hot. A little flaky salt at the end.
That's fantastic.
Mm-hmm.
Those are so delicate and light,
Those are the flavors of childhood.
but it's not heavy fried. No, that's a treat.
Grandma Jenny would either deep fry these or fry them with egg and maybe a little Parmesan.
Right there. I get it.